Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jihad Mahamdi with you for another episode where I talk about things that I believe and things that I don't believe they are true. And one of those things is actually organizing your room and having a morning routine. Now, do not think black and white. Do not get me wrong. Oh, he's talking about not having a morning routine. Oh, he's saying that we shouldn't organize our room. No. You have to organize your room. You have to be organized. You have to be clean. Although this is something that I'm guilty of. It's really hard for me to organize my room, but I'm doing business. And that is a belief that a lot of people have nowadays, especially that when they heard Jordan Peterson say it. Jordan Peterson, when he said that, he didn't mean that if you don't fix or organize your room, you cannot be successful, because you are breaking down a whole set of skills, a whole set of actions into one simple thing that doesn't have to do anything with doing business and being productive. And that's actually your fault if you believe that. I'm sorry, I don't mean to be arrogant or to be mean to you, but that's your fault, because instead of actually waking up in the morning, having a cup of coffee and starting to work, starting to reply to the DMs, starting to study the market, having new ideas, how to have more visibility for your brand, you actually go and do all of these rituals in the morning that are going to take 2 hours of your time, and you're going to lose the time. By the time where you're going to decide to start working, your energy will be depleted. Don't tell me, oh, I'm going to feel fresh. Oh, I'm going to set my day. No. Action. Okay, so what's the saying? Where attention goes, energy flows. And action, wherever action is directed, you are going to create something. We don't care of what's happening in your life. Are you saying that right now you cannot, let's say for example, something that you cannot really control is happening and that's affecting you negatively? Let's say in your country, which is something in my country, Algeria, we don't have an easy way to get payment processes, online payments. Is that going to affect me and my actions? No, I'm going to find a solution and I'm going to act upon it. That's the thing. If you don't have time to organize your room and you have imminent tasks that are related to your business, you wake up in the morning and you have to do them, I'm sorry, my brother, you'll have to work and focus on your job. No morning routine is that important. Now, that being said, when it comes to morning routines, a lot of people abuse morning routines. They have 5, 6, 10 things on the list before they actually start working. You can have 2 things. Simple. Wake up in the morning, maybe work out, do your prayer or meditation. I'm a Muslim, I pray in the morning. Okay, I don't do it perfectly. Sometimes I miss the prayer time, but whenever I wake up, I pray and then I start off my day. And that's the most important thing ever. Don't let these people just give you bullshit advice. If you go and ask a millionaire, he's like, oh, you need to have a morning routine. No, bitch, I don't want that. I want you to tell me what are the steps that I need to take. Because why are you talking in riddles? Oh, you need to do your morning routine. You need to organize your room, fix it. No. All you need to do is to take action. Okay? For example, in my business, I've got a page that's over 150k. I believe it's almost 52k followers. And we do plenty of things. We talk about branding, we talk about sales, and we actually do sell. We sell clothes in wholesale. And the way we did it is genius. And I'm going to be talking about this business model later on in a later video. That's going to be more organized rather than me just ranting about some stuff. So don't let these people mislead you. The most important thing to do is that thing that's going to propel you forward to achieve whatever you want to achieve. If you want to build a business, you need to work on the business. DM people, cold calling, post videos, make content, etc. But if you are going to wake up, oh, I need to succeed in a business, so I need to fix my room. Okay, my room is a mess right now. I'm going to film my room. I'm going to film my room and post it, actually. I have no shame. Actually, I'm a little bit ashamed, but I have no shame, really. I'm going to show it to you how it is right now. but I'm doing business. I've got my side hustle and I'm making money from my side hustle. Okay, look. This is my client's orders because I'm selling wholesale clothing. I'm going to send them, I'm going to ship them. Look at the mess there. I made this mess this morning. I woke up this morning and I didn't organize. I made the mess in order to hurry up and go and do business. I was working the whole time. Look. Yeah, this is dumb. Just ignore this. Yeah. So how the hell am I going to work on the business, on my side hustle, if I am only focusing on morning routines and doing bullshit like that, like to the extremities? I only say bullshit when it's extreme, okay? So yeah, that's why, that's what I mean. I've been working the whole day. I've got work till the night. I'm not gonna finish very soon, okay? So that's the thing. You need to capitalize on what you must do right now. What's imminent. Yeah. I'm in a partnership as well, and I'm going to talk about why you should do a partnership as soon as possible. Because having a business partner, especially when you're starting off, is going to be a game changer. Game changer. Don't be this selfish, self-centered individual who's going to be like, no, I want to succeed at a business only by myself. You can do that, but it's better to start a business. You need to think in terms of team. Anyways, that's a whole topic in and of itself. So that's what I believe is the most important. You need to work on the business. Don't lie to yourself. Don't bullshit yourself. Don't listen to the bullshit the other people say. If you ask someone, what is your secret to success? Morning routine. Just swipe away or just leave. Just say, thank you, man. Just be polite about it. Say, oh, thank you, man. Yeah. Bollocks, man. That's bullshit. Why are we allowing these people to say bullshit rather than just give us the practical steps? And I'm actually going to do that to you. I'm going to give you practical steps that right now, if you're lost and you don't know how to start any side hustle, if you don't know shit about business, I'm going to give you a video that's going to be probably 20 minutes long or 30 minutes long, step by step, how you can make deals and start selling as soon as possible. Because it's actually very, very simple. Not that easy, but it's very simple, which is what we are looking for. We're looking for hard stuff, simple and doable, rather than complicated stuff that's going to take much time. That's you capitalizing and leveraging time on yourself. So yeah, when it comes to, I'm going to recap the video. When it comes to business and whatever you want to achieve in life, if you're a bodybuilder, you want to have abs, you wake up in the morning, you do abs. That's more important than fixing or organizing your room or having morning routines. And that's my opinion because it worked on me. That in my personal experience, I was bullshitted. People kept telling me, oh, you need to have a morning routine. You need to wake up in the morning and do this, and that. And those are unimportant things. And again, it doesn't mean that you shouldn't organize your room, and it doesn't mean that you shouldn't have a morning routine. Just don't abuse it. Have 2 things to do, max. And then organize your room whenever you've got time, because it's good to have an organized room as well. You'll have a clearer mind and start working. Okay? Work. That's the only thing you should do. I've been working since the morning. Okay? And only when I have some time, I'm going to fix my room because I'm not going to make it a stressful topic for myself. That's the thing. That's the thing. Okay? So thank you so much, and I hope you are enjoying these videos, and I hope you're getting value from these videos. I'm going to be posting more valuable videos with step-by-step guides on many topics. Basically, I'm going to talk about stoicism, masculinity. I'm going to talk about how to do business, and I'm not an expert in business. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to be one of those bullshitters who tell you, oh, my business. Well, in my business, it's a side hustle for now. It's going to grow. We're going to have a sponsor really soon. We're in contact. We're actually in the negotiation with a sponsor. But it's something that's going to move you forward. Okay? Thank you so much, and cheers. Oh, before I leave, you can leave me some comments and propose any video ideas you would like me to talk about. Thank you so much. Cheers.